Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
After a break, after a 1 week break, no?
Yes, Mammu.
So what did you do in this 1 week break? Did you practice chapter 1?
Yes.
What is that? Yes. 2 times I guess. 2 or 3 times you practiced, right?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I can understand, but you have to practice, okay? Whenever you get a break, you have to practice all the previous chapters, whatever you have learned, okay?
Okay, Mammu.
So, Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, shlokas 20 and 21 today. Why only 2? Because one is in Indra Vajra Chandas. No?
Yes, Mammu.
Yeah. Shall we start?
Yes, Mammu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
20th shloka. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः
अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः
अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Once again. Not saving your voice for Bhagavad Gita? Do you shout? Ready? Once again. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः.
नायं भूत्वा भविता
It is
वा
bhutva. It is not bhuktva. There is no k. Nayam bhutva
नायं भूत्वा
bhavita va na bhuyah.
भविता वा न भूयः
Ajo nityah shashvatoyam puranah.
अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Next one is in Anushtup Chandas. Veda vinashinam nityam
वेदा विनाशिनं नित्यं
yaenamajamavyayam
य एनमजमव्ययम्
katham sapurushah partha
कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ
kam ghatayati hantikam.
कं घातयति हन्तिकम्.
Veda vinashinam nityam
वेदा विनाशिनं नित्यं
yaenamajamavyayam
य एनमजमव्ययम्
katham sapurushah partha
कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ
kam ghatayati hantikam.
कं घातयति हन्तिकम्.
Shall we chant it together?
Yes, Mammu.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे वेदा विनाशिनं नित्यं य एनमजमव्ययम् कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ कं घातयति हन्तिकम्. इनु let us go through the meanings now. You are ready?
Yes, Mamu.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित्
नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः
अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
अयं कदाचित् न जायते न वा म्रियते. See, अयं, this, here this means Atman, self. This self is never born. न जायते न वा म्रियते. Atman is never born. It never dies either. Ayam bhutva bhuyah bhavita vana. Only if it comes into existence it will die, no?
Yes, Mamu.
So, having been born, it never ceases to be again. Only if it comes, only if it is born, it will die. It is always there. Atman is always there. Krishna Swarupa is Atma Swarupa is always there. Ayam ajaha nityaha shashvataha puranaha. Now see the attributes of Krishna, Atma Tattva. The Atman is ajaha, unborn, nityaha, eternal, shashvataha, everlasting, puranaha, ancient. Sharire hanyamane na hanyate. It is not killed, Atman is not killed when the body is killed. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Understand all this. Understand all this with your buddhi now. After some time, or maybe who knows, you will be knowing the Atma Tattva inside. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Next one. Veda vinashinam nityam
य एनमजमव्ययम्
katham sa purushah partha
कं घातयति हन्तिकम्.
kam ghatayati hantikam. That's how you have to say it. Kam ghatayati hantikam. Hantikam. It's a question. Hey Partha, yah enam avinashinam nityam ajam avyayam veda. O Partha, he who knows Atman as imperishable, eternal, unborn and undecaying, saha purushaha katham kam ghatayati. How can he cause death to anyone? Kam hanti, whom does he kill? See, Krishna is saying this to Arjuna. You are not the doer. You are not going to kill them. It is destined through you. Okay? Let us go through the tidbits now. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
You know, we all look into the mirror, right?
Yes.
What do you do standing in front of the mirror?
Comb my hair.
What?
Comb my hair.
Oh, comb your hair, right?
Yes.
Then you apply powder to your face. Am I right?
Yes.
When do you do that?
Only in shooting.
Only in shooting. Only in shooting you apply powder to your face, right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh. So, but why do you do that? See, actually, why are we doing that? To look good in front of others, right?
Yes, Mamu.
But you know, we are not looking into our inner mirror. There is one inner mirror here. You need inner eyes to look into that inner mirror. Okay.
Okay, Mamu.
All outer beauty is actually the reflection of this inner soul. Atman is only giving this light to the outer appearance also. Okay.
Okay, Mamu.
See, even a small scar on your face can spoil its beauty, right?
Yes, Mamu.
See, can you imagine how much we are spoiling our inner beauty through all these kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya?
Mamu, when Krodha comes, the inner volcano will be whoosh.
Yes. It will be erupting, no?
Yes,
inner
Mamu.
volcano, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Krodha comes. So we are spoiling our inner beauty, right?
Yes, Mamu.
So we have to live with all Shraddha. Shraddha Shakti is very important to maintain this inner beauty, and rest everything will be taken care by Him. He is sitting inside us. Bhagavan is sitting inside us. You get Him inside us, not outside. See, that's why in Lalita Sahasranama, Universal Mother has a name, two names. Antarmukha Samaradhya Bahirmukha Sudurlabha. You get her inside. You don't get her outside. Okay.
Okay, Mamu.
Now, let us go through some namas of Bhagavan, which is mentioned in these shlokas, what we learned today. Okay.
Okay, Mamu.
In Ajo Nityah Shashvatoyam Puranaha, then that Avinashinam Nityam Najam Avyayam. Now, one name, one nama. Ajaha. Say.
Ajaha.
In Vishnu Sahasranama, it comes as Ajas Sarveshwara Siddhas Siddhis Sarvadir Achyutah. Achyutah. Aja also. Ajaha. So, Ajaha means unborn, not born. Atman is not born. It never dies either. See, it is Nitya, it is eternal. You know what? There is no date of birth for Atman. No? No date of birth for Bhagavan. When we see Krishna as Sharira, we will celebrate Krishnashtami and all that. But if we take him inside as Atma Swarupa, no date of birth. No date of birth, no date of death. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
So, Ajaya Namaha. Chant this along with Mamu. Om Ajaya Namaha.
Om Ajaya Namaha.
Om Ajaya Namaha.
Om Ajaya Namaha.
One more nama. Shashvataha. In Vishnu Sahasranama it comes as Agrahya Shashvatah Krishno Lohitaksha Pratardanah. So, Shashvataha. Shashvataha means everlasting. He exists at all times. Atman exists at all times. See, we all are time based, no?
Yes, Mamu.
We have this 9 o'clock, we have to do this, 10 o'clock we do that, 11 o'clock we do that, timetable and all that. But Bhagavan is the controller of time, you know?
No, Mamu.
Tell me, what?
No,
What? What no?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm saying he is controller of the time. See, he is not controlled or affected by the time, okay?
Okay,
So
Mamu.
he is eternal, everlasting and permanent. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Om Shashvataya Namaha.
Om Shashvataya Namaha.
Om Shashvataya Namaha.
Om Shashvataya Namaha.
So 2 namas. Now third nama. Avyayaha. Say Avyayaha.
Avyayaha.
Vyaya means that which decays. Avyayaha is undecaying. See, everything decays. Food, chair, table, this mic, even our body decays. Our tooth, teeth, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Everything decays, no?
Yes, Mamu.
But Atman is undecaying. Okay. Now, you want to show something to everyone, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Yeah, you had something in mind and you are going to show this to everyone, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Okay, show that. What is it about? Okay,
About-
take it. Yeah. So this is, yeah, tell me.
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter.
And this is Balium.
Oh, okay, this is Balium. Let us show all of them. See there? Let us show all of them. This is helicopter and this is
Balium.
You are going to show them different phases of life. Okay, so this airplane is
Balium.
Balium, going through Balium stage.
Yes, Mamu.
Now Kaumaram, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Yeah, show me, show me.
Kaumaram.
Oh, this is Kaumaram, right?
Yes, Mamu.
So, this is a slight bigger, no?
Yes, Mamu.
And this is in what color?
Blue.
Blue. So, at the time of Kaumaram, we will be like very colorful, no?
Yes, Mamu.
So, doing all those things, no? Colorful, like you. No?
Yes.
But you are in Balyam only. Okay, next. Next.
Yauvanam.
Yauvanam. Oh, this is bigger. Yauvanam. Why bigger? Because you have all the Shakti to do lot of things in Yauvanam, right?
Yes, Mamu.
So, this plane is already went through Balyam, Kaumaram. Now the plane is in
Yauvanam.
Yauvanam. Okay, next.
Jara.
Jara. Wow, show all of them. See, Jara. In Jara, what happens?
This all broken.
Everything is broken, no?
Band-aid.
Yeah, everyone is like weak, very weak, no?
Scratches.
Scratches, everything. Now, what happens?
Die.
Die. Maranam.
Died.
Where?
Die.
Yeah, it is died, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Very good. Okay. Now let me explain to everyone, okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Dear all, this happened at home. I was just having my dinner and casually he was playing with his making planes and all that, and suddenly he came to me and, Mamu, you know, I have prepared these planes, airplanes, and these planes are going through all these stages, he said. Balyam, Kaumaram, Yauvanam, Jara and all that, Maranam. I was totally amused. So, what I feel is, I didn't teach him all this. So, these little ones at this age of 6, they are imbibing lot of things. See, we are learning so many things which is not needed in our life. But this is actually life teaching. See, they are knowing about the fact of Kaumaram, Balyam. We are going through all this. And after going through all this, it is like we are knowing that Atman, Krishna Tattvam is the only thing which is Avyayaha, no?
Yes, Mamu.
So, see, we can teach this to our little ones every day, little small things. So, back to Innu. So, Avyayaha is undecaying, no?
Yes, Mamu.
So, everything will go through all this Jara, Maranam and all that. But Atma Tattvam is undecaying, imperishable. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
You are happy?
Yes, Mamu.
You are happy that Mamu told all of them about this plain story?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, that's it. Very happy for you. Keep learning, keep exploring Bhagavad Gita like this. Okay? It's not about just by hearting things. Lot of things to learn like this. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
At your stage, you are comparing with the airplanes, Balyam, Kaumaram, Yauvanam, Jara, everything. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Shall we stop now?
Yes, Mamu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
He is Avyaya. Avyaya. Say.
Avyaya.
No decay for Atma Tattva. No?
Yes, Mamu.
Very good. Uttamam. Atyuttamam. Ati Uttamam today.